What it do, what it don't, what it is, and you already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host P Fire, aka P is for pretty sunny day. Terrible, I know, guys. Anyway, what's good? I'm at Present Hackney. Usual, I'm gonna take you through, see what they got new, and yeah, we're gonna do it like we're doing it. Let's do it. Alright, let's have a little look. I got some cargos. These are fresh. Let me move this out of the way. There we go, that's better. Alright, I've got some cargos. Nice little pocket on that, 3p, as you can see. I've got all the different sizes. How much? 150. Have a look. I got some. This is nice. It's kind of like an army pant. You see, it's kind of got like the pleats. If you ever went boarding school, you know about these ones though. Nice big pockets. Little limey, not lime green, but you know the green. Very nice. You've only got one of this. This is a size, let's see, 52. So for all you big boys, loose fit as well. So I'll be swimming in that. That's the same there. These I think are super dope. When you're feeling, you know, going through your Ewok phase, and you know you wanna hide in the shrubbery. This is a perfect colour, little forest green. And then you've got a little lighter forest green right there. Some dope pockets. Yeah, if you're trying to feel like a Care Bear, this is the pair for you. Yeah, I like this pair. This pair is really dope. I actually like it. So you've got the big Stone Island spell out right there. You know what I mean? And they got it in black as well. Really, really nice. You're wondering how much? 270. Super dope. And they got a few pairs. They got like the Metropolis, not Metropolis, this version, the Urban Protection, or is it Metropolis? I forget which one they call it. Yeah, this one. So they got this. You see they got the badge there, that pull away badge, the Velcro as you can see. What's the cuff like? Because for me everything's about the cuff. Yeah, it's not bad, it's not too wide, you know, it's alright. Again, it's in that green. CP and Stony do love a little green colorway. There's a darker version of that pair there, just hiding underneath. And that's the thing, you have to come, take a little look, see what's what. You can't just expect to have 50 of the same thing. You might find the one, you might find a couple. So yeah, that's a nice, what size is that? 54, again, big boy things. Alright, let's move on. Again, if you want to feel like a Ewok, but this time it's Ewok in the summer, you know, there you go. Nice bit of that material. It's actually a bit lighter than this one, but it's the same concept, same material, and of course you've got the big Stone Island bit there as well. Again, you can see, yeah, you can see that. So sorry, I think my music's still on. Let me turn this off. So unprofessional of me. Hold on. Alright, let's go. So yeah, you got different kind of like light jumpers, you know, long t-shirts, sorry, long sleeve t-shirts, some jumpers with the embossed rubberized CP company right there, Metropolis Series. So you got this is a dope piece. It's nice, like a hoodie. And then you got the big Stone Island right there. Zoom in on that. Yeah, see, big compass in the middle, very nice, I'm liking that. Super nice piece this actually. Let's see how much that is. $4.25. I mean, it is a heavyweight piece. It's heavyweight, but it's got breathability. but I doubt you'd wear it on a day like today. But very nice. You got the kind of terry cloth overhead hoodie, shall we say. Again, looks like one of the characters in Adventure Time, the one with the blue. Am I getting that wrong? Maybe, who knows. But anyway, we move. Again, a bit more CP. Let's go. Jumpers. Some Stone Island. That's cute. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I don't know if it's a kid's. Let's see. It's not a kid's, but it's nice. It's very nice, actually. How much is that? Doesn't say. Ooh, maybe it's free. Alright, we'll be back. Bit more CP. Nothing too of note. Of course, you got some shirts. This is kind of like their CP nylon metal. It's got that shimmer. It's a nice jacket, little coach jacket, little summer one. You know, boom, some colours. This is kind of like your Harrington jacket kind of shirt. Sorry, overshirt kind of jacket. It's not really Harrington, but possibly. Put that back. You got little rubberized in there, almost the same colour, but I don't know if you can pick it. Slightly different colour. That's more kind of like a little raincoaty feel. Same with that, that's the same in different colour. And then you got some candies. Whole bunch of candy range. And a whole bunch of bit of candy. You know what I'm saying? Some more bits. Sorry guys, I'm filming with one hand, so it's a bit difficult to grab everything. I like the shirt, but I'm not really a fan of that. That's a zipper. You can unzip. Oops. So you can unzip the sleeves. Yeah, I like the actual composition of the shirt. The pocket's nice, the skyrocket. But yeah, nah, I'm not really a fan of that Stone Island, the cross. Maybe on actually I say that on holiday or something, you know. I don't know, maybe. Let's walk around. So I've got more little CP bits. Again, just some random bits. I like this jumper. All of a sudden it's t-shirt weather again though, that's crazy. What else have they got in here? They got the shadow project bit here. $562. I believe it packs away into like a little bag. Let's see, there should be a big pocket. Yeah, I think it packs away into this pocket here, and then you got the straps. Nice. Let me try it on. Tried it on. Yes, this is a, I think this is a small. It's a nice fit. They got a another size, I think, somewhere. So yeah, we'll have a look, shall we? Let's go I've got these big jackets, which are fire, nylon metal. That's the one I showed you, got a big one. Got this waistcoat, which is bad. Got a little badge right there. Proper. Again, I'm going to be a bit Ewoky in the forest. Get on. Yeah, and that's about it, guys. Not much more. What's happening, bro? Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. Alright gang, I've shown you around, so that's it, we're done now. So this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your boy P Fire. This has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. See you. Alright then, peace.